Namaste everyone.
Welcome to ICAM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will learn the meaning of chapter 3 from sloka number 21. Yadyadacharati shresthaha tattadevetaro janaha sayat pramanam kurute lokastadanu vartate. Now, Krishna is advising to Arjuna whatever a great man does, the world follows. Whatever standards he sets, the world pursues. Name parthasthi kartavyam trishu lokeshu kinchana nanavaptamavaptavyam vartayeva cha karmani. Krishna is telling, O son of Partha, though there is no work what I need to complete in all three worlds, I still do my duties. Yadi hyahannavarteyam jatu karmanyatandritaha mama vartmanuvartante manushyaः partha sarvashah. For if I fail to engage myself in proper action with great care, O Partha, people would follow my footsteps and act like me. Utsideyurime lokaha na kuryam karma chedaham sankarasya cha kartasyam upahanyami maaf prajaha. If I did not act properly, there will be innumerable problems in the world. The social equilibrium will be reputed, and I would be the cause for that. The world would soon perish, and its population would perish with it. सक्ताः कर्मण्य विद्वांसः यथा कुर्वन्ति भारत कुर्याद् विद्वांस्तथा सक्तः चिकीर्षुर्लोकसङ्ग्रहम्. Who doesn't of Bharata, just like the ignorant are attached to the results of their actions, so the knowledgeable should be unattached to the results of their actions to uplift the world. Na buddhi bedham janayed ajnanam karma sanginam joshayet sarva karmani vidvan yuktas samacharan. The wise should be responsible for making the ignorant act in the accordance with the duties prescribed. However, the wise should not confuse or frighten the ignorant. Rather, they should make them take delight in what they are doing. प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः अहङ्कारविमूढात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते. It is the gunas which perform all actions. The one who sees the body in the false ego imagines I am the doer. तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्मविभागयोः गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्वा न सज्जते. Oh, mighty armed one, Krishna is mentioned Arjuna like this. The one who knows that it is the gunas which act one another knows the truth concerning the two spheres, actions and gunas. Such a person remains unattached. प्रकृतेर्गुणसम्मूढाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु तान् कृत्स्नविदो मन्दान् कृत्स्नविन्न विचालयेत्. But the ones who are influenced by the senses remains attached to sense object and all the material things in this world. The wise should not try to influence such ignorant souls. मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः. The solutions for the fever of the senses is to offer all of oneself to me in knowledge of the soul within, free from any kind of desires or grief or any kind of sense impelled emotions.